Getting your Chromebook connected to Wi-Fi is usually one of the first things you do. But if you're new to Chrome OS or setting up a device for the first time, it might not feel completely obvious where to start. Unlike some devices that guide you step by step automatically, Chromebooks give you quick access through the system tray, which can be easy to miss if you don't know where to look. Sometimes networks don't appear right away, or you're unsure which option to select. The good thing is that once you know the exact path, connecting to Wi Fi only takes a few seconds. After that, your Chromebook will remember the network and reconnect automatically whenever it's in range, making your experience smooth and hassle free. Try these. Step 1. Click on the time area in the bottom right corner of your screen. Step 2. Select the Wi Fi icon to view available networks. Step 3. Choose your Wi Fi network name from the list. Step 4. Enter the Wi Fi password carefully. Step 5. Click Connect to join the network. Step 6. Wait for the status to show connected.